Preparing food in Topkapi Palace, the kitchen of the Ottoman Empire. Topkapi Palace was the heart of Ottoman power and daily life, housing a massive kitchen known as Matbaa-i Amire. The kitchen handled the challenge of preparing daily meals for over 4,000 people under normal circumstances, with significantly larger numbers during events and celebrations. The Palace Kitchen System. Topkapi Palace kitchens were meticulously organized, divided into dozens of sections dedicated to specific foods, such as bread, meats, and desserts. The system was overseen by a head chef, carefully selected for his expertise. Chefs and workers. The kitchen employed over 800 people, including chefs, assistants, and servants. Most were skilled cooks from across the empire, bringing diverse culinary traditions that enriched the palace cuisine. Sources of ingredients. Fresh vegetables and fruits came from royal gardens around Istanbul. Meats were supplied by imperial farms, while spices were imported from India and Arabia through dedicated traders. Preparing raw materials. Preparing raw materials was a meticulous process. Vegetables were washed, and meats cleaned daily by specialized teams to ensure everything met the highest standards of quality and purity. Daily meals in the palace. Daily meals included lavish dishes like rice with meat, spiced stews, and desserts like baklava. Food was served hot at specific times for the royal family and staff. Preparations for special occasions. During festivals and royal weddings, workloads doubled. Hundreds of dishes, including rare ones like whole roasted meats and gold-adorned desserts, were prepared to impress guests. Famous celebrations in the kitchen. One of the most famous celebrations was the wedding of Sultana Maryama, daughter of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, where over 1,000 different dishes were prepared, showcasing the empire's wealth. Culinary innovations. Topkapi's kitchen was a hub of innovation. Chefs invented new recipes, like rose-scented pudding and grilled kebabs with dried fruits, which became staples of classic Ottoman cuisine. Managing food leftovers. Food was never wasted. Leftovers were distributed to the poor or reused to prepare simple meals for palace servants, reflecting the empire's principles of minimizing waste. The legacy of Ottoman cuisine. Kitchen remains an inspiration for chefs today. Its recipes and techniques are taught in culinary schools worldwide, highlighting its impact on global food culture.